Good afternoon. Welcome to our fishing workshop. I will explain and show how we make a shoe out of wood. The type of wood that is used is poplar or willow. This is a piece of poplar. And we use it fresh. Half of the weight is water. That makes it relatively soft and easy to water. Traditionally, they were made by hand. A large knife like this was to shape the outside of the shoe. And they use several sizes of spoon scoops to hollow out the inside. It takes 2 to 3 hours to make a pair by hand. With the machines, 5 minutes.
Wow, it's fast.
We start with the outside. And that works in the same way as duplicating keys. The machine traces the model, the knives cut out the same shape. And that's the outside. For the inside, same principle applies. I can copy the shape. Inside. The last 2 pieces, heel and toe, are cut off with a knife. This is the rough but final shape. When I started, I told you we use fresh green wood. This shoe is still wet. So we need to dry the shoe very carefully. It is air dried and that takes 3 to 4 weeks.
Wow.
No sun or heat, that will crack the shoe. After drying, this shoe is polished. And the final result is a shoe to fit a child of 4 years old. That looks quite big for a 4-year-old, but that is normal. These shoes are worn with thick woolen socks for comfort. 1 finger extra room inside to prevent this. So this is to wear these shoes. They are very strong, offering good protection. But also they insulate and they're waterproof, keeping the feet warm, dry and safe when you work outside. Well, that's how it's done. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a look around, try a pair, have fun.
Thank you.